Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can see that s to the power of 6, that is about the highest power on numerator, and s to the power of 3, that is on the denominator. So we can see that this one is bigger than this one, so we can use about long division. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So because we don't have s to the power of 5 to s, so we can put 0 s to the power of 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. So in this situation, we need to use about s to the power of 3, because this one with s to the power of 3, we have s to the power of 6. This one we have negative 5s to the power of 5, and this one we have 4s to the power of 4. And now we need to minus two equations. So we have like this. This one you got number 0. Number 0 minus negative number 5. We have 5s to the power of 5. 0 minus positive number 4. We have negative number 4s to the power of 4. And now for this one, I will put about 5s to the power of 2. This one gone here. We have 5s to the power of 5. This one, and we have negative number 25s to the power of 4. And the next one, we have 20s to the power of 3. So we need to minus two equations. So this one they cancel. Negative number 4 minus negative number 25. We have positive 21. So 0 minus number 20. We have negative number 20s to the power of 3. The next one, I will put 21s, and this one gone here. So we have 21s to the power of 4. The next one, 21 with negative number 5. So we have negative 105s to the power of 3. This one gone here. We have 84s to the power of 2. So we need to minus two equations. So this one they cancel. Negative number 20 minus negative 105. So this one we have 85s to the power of 3. This one we have negative 84s squared. And now the next one, that is about 85. So we put 85 gone here. So we have 85s to the power of 3. This one go to negative number 5. That is about 680 s squared. And the next one 85 with number 4. That is about 340 s. Now we need to minus two equations. So 85 they cancel. Negative 84 minus negative 680. We have 596 s to the power of 2. This one we have negative 340 s. And now we have number 1. We put number 1 going here. So in this one we just have only remainder. So this one they will go to numerator, and now we can show like this. I need to edit about negative 425. So this one we have 341. So we put this one go in here, and this one will go in here. And now we can apply the formula in here. So we put number 3 go in here. So 3 plus 1 we have number 4. Number 2 go in here, we have number 3. This one that is about number 1. So 1 go in here. So we have 1 plus 1 we have number 2. And this one we have s. So that should be like this. Now we need to focus about this one. So we can do about factorization by s. Next, negative 5s, we can put negative 4s, negative s. So this one we can do about factorization by s. This one by negative number 1. Now s minus number 4, we can do another factorization. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over s, b over s minus 1, c over s minus number 4. And now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 1, s minus number 4. So capital 8 multiplied by s minus number 1, s minus number 4. About this one, it is missing about s and s minus number 4. This one, it is missing about s and s minus number 1. And now we need to expand this one, and this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About S square, we have ABC. About S, we have negative number 5 with 8, negative number 4 with B, and negative number 1 with C. About the numbers, we have 4, 8. Now, we need to compare coefficients. This one, we have S square, we have S square, so 341 equals to A plus B plus C. We have S, so this one equals to negative 340, and the last one, 48, equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we have ABC. So we put ABC, go back in here. This one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. And now we have the final answer. So we put this one go in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. I need to put negative in here. It's missing in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.